lampang gaying Dorbar Thaw ke Jylla ba met ba lengdo ong baya gaying Dorbar Thaw ba thamai jong ke Jylla syam lala ban Pyndep ha kapor ke balabu kata hau benai leber jong usnem ba menta usnem arjar arpuar namar ka jing penthut jong ka khanyang jingpang COVID-19 ha ka jing kran sekilat pathai khubor ha office trekam ka assembly Meghalaya ke badan ha khandailan watla kata ka jing penthut jong COVID ka kam ka telun suki bat la khmi lenti pat la kumno on Pyndep hau benai naitung usnem arjar arpuar ya ka ba on yo ban penlong ya ka Dorbar liur ban rap ulampang
that because of this pandemic is really hampered the progress of the work which we were supposed to complete it by this March, in fact, by this March, latest by March. Well, we had planned and we have kept that in mind that the budget session will be held in that new assembly building. But sad to say that because of this pandemic, again, I would like to stress that that has really slowed down the progress of the work. And we have again revised the target date for the completion of the entire construction. And we could see that sometime by end of June or mid-July we should be able to complete. So thereafter we will be having some about a month time or 20 days which will be commissioning and testing for all the things that we have done. And we intend to have the autumn session in the new assembly building.